Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Uniswap Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and select Wallets. Find USDT, then tap the Withdraw button. Choose Send via Crypto Network. Next, you need the address for your Uniswap wallet. Open the Uniswap Wallet app, then copy the address. Go back to the Binance app and paste the address into the designated field. Now, you will need to select the network. Since Ethereum is supported by the Uniswap app, choose the Ethereum network. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw and confirm that everything looks correct. After that, complete any necessary verifications. Once that's done, proceed with the withdrawal. You may need to wait for the transaction to be processed. Once it's done, open your Uniswap Wallet app to confirm that the USDT has arrived. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Uniswap Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.